knew it wasn't safe. The livestock there, manure there, running off to lakes.
Adrian's always been interested in the environment, trying to make the world a better place.
We're here with our son, William, and so far from what we've seen from his composition books, his writing skills, he's been improving throughout the year, so he's doing great.
Well, I thought it was really fun. I got to research a lot of stuff about why wipes clog our sewer systems and a lot about that.
She has been involved in robotics for the last few months, so we came to see their presentation. They have a competition coming up this weekend.
Tonight we're celebrating Texas Public Schools Week by having our open house. Parents are going to be coming in and meeting with the teachers and, just welcoming them in here again like family.
We're doing open house, showing my mom all my things I've done in the past.
And what are you excited about showing her?
My compositions, that's what I like the most because I like being elaborated in my sentences, and she gets touched whenever I talk about my grandma.
I'm very happy for today, and having my classroom this year has been an honor to be teaching these wonderful group of kids, and it's all about being a role model and teaching them values that they will be able to use on an everyday basis.